Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. Today is day 2 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the Uncle Bud's Gut Hemp, Belize Seaweed and Hemp Seed Oil Detoxifying Face Mask. That's a lot of information on there. It says deep cleansing, revitalize, hydrates, and it's for all skin types. It says sweet agave nectar down on the bottom. Uncle Bud's Detoxifying Face Mask is delicately creamy and super smoothing. From the beautiful crystal waters of Belize, this clay mask was created from seaweed harvested locally and combined with natural hemp seed oil. Our detoxifying face mask's unique formula provides intense skin hydration, regenerating, and rejuvenating properties. Make your skin look healthier and naturally glowing. Directions: put even layer onto clean, dry skin. Do not apply around eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy relaxing aroma of agave. Then rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use as often as you wish. I think I've got everything here that I need. I am going to cut this open and pour it into like my little container here. And then I got 2 different brushes to use for application. And I'm going to remember to put my hair up first. So let me do that first and then we'll get started. Alright, so I've squeezed all of it out of there and that is the amount. So it really doesn't look like there was a whole lot in there, which is fine because sometimes I find that there's too much and I definitely don't want it to go to waste. This is a pretty thick consistency too. I think we'll use this brush for it. It almost kind of feels rubbery. Doesn't smell bad. We got a floral scent to it. Alright, so I used all of it. We're going to set our clock here for 15 minutes, and I actually am going to put on a little bit of Vaseline on my lips here. This is for my lips. They've been feeling pretty chapped lately. So when it comes time to wash this off, I'm actually going to do a sugar scrub on it first and on my lips first, and then wash the face mask off. Trying to talk while I'm doing this. Okay, so make sure we set the timer for actual 15 minutes and not 15 hours. Alright, so she's counting down, so we'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been the 15 minutes. As you can tell, it has really dried up. It's cracking all along my chin and around my cupid's bow. So yeah, it is time to wash this off, so I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to scrub my lips down too, and then we'll be back to finish up. Alright, so we are back. We have washed off the face mask, and I gotta say, as I was scrubbing my lips, I noticed that the face mask was like starting to peel, and it was at that moment that I realized what it reminded me of. It reminded me of glue. So remember when you were like a kid and you used to put like glue on your hands and like peel it off? It looked exactly like that. And then too, like when you're trying to wash off glue, the consistency of it, and even putting it on, just the consistency of that, it was exactly like glue. Thankfully, it didn't smell like glue, and it wasn't glue, but that's exactly what it reminded me of, is glue. Now that I have it washed off and I've given it a few minutes, I don't necessarily feel hydrated. So it says that it's a detoxifying mask, deep cleansing, revitalize, hydrate, and for all skin types. I don't really feel hydrated. I feel like the mask that we had the other day was more hydrating, and that was probably because it was a serum that you left on. I do feel like it cleansed. Like, I do feel like my skin is clean. And revitalize, I guess maybe I look a little bit more glowy or whatever, but I don't know, give or take on this. It definitely reminded me of glue, so that was kind of cool. Yeah, it says making your skin look healthier and naturally glowing. So I do feel like I have a little bit of a glow. But other than that, I don't really feel like I'm hydrated, but I do feel like my skin is clean. That's all I have to say about this mask today. If you have tried this, please comment down below. If you're going to try it, please comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Make sure that you tune in to tomorrow's FACEMASKTOBER video, and I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.